Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hello, Jones. Good evening. Hello, Lakshman. Good evening. So, guys, can you able to hear me? Can you able to see me? Are we live now? Just confirm me once. Good evening, Lakshman. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, right. Good. So, chalo then. So, guys, so Unacademy Race IIT-JEE. So it is a rank acceleration competitive exam. So it is a scholarship test, guys. So for class 10th and class 11th students, so there are rewards for class 10th for rank 1 to rank 5. So 2 years IIT-JEE plus subscription free. And rank 6 to rank 20, 10,000 Amazon voucher. And rank 21 to rank 50, 3,000 Amazon voucher. So for the class 10, Unacademy scholarship test will be on 19th December 12 to 3 p.m. guys. You can enroll this. So this is a syllabus for this. So this is syllabus for chemistry, physics and chemistry, maths and physics. So you can take the screenshot. If you want, you can take the screenshot. So 19th December 12 to 3 p.m. guys. 19th December 12 to 3 p.m. for class 10th students. Okay, right. So reward for class 11th is rank 1 to rank 5, 1 year IIT-JEE plus subscription free, and rank 6 to rank 20, 8,000 Amazon voucher, and rank 21 to rank 50, 2,000 Amazon voucher, and rank 51 to rank 150, 1,000 Amazon voucher. Okay, right. So for 11th class 11th scholarship test will be on 19th December 3 to 6 p.m. guys. 3 to 6 p.m. 19th December. Okay. So 19th December is coming Saturday guys. Coming Saturday. Okay. Right. So you can get the analysis by top educators Samir Chincholikar sir, Namukal, Jain sir and Paras Thakur sir. So this is the schedule guys for class 10th and class 11th, December 19th, 12 to 3 p.m., 3 to 6 p.m. So total 25 questions per subject, physics, chemistry, maths. So negative marking won't be there. Total 25 questions in each subject, total 75 questions you will get it. Okay, right. So guys, so you can enter my referral code Praneet10. So to enroll this, you just need to enter the referral code, promo code you need to enter. So you can enter my referral code Praneet10. Okay, so chalo then let's start guys. So you can enter my referral code. I'll give you my referral code here. So my referral code is Praneet10. You can enter this referral code. Okay, right. Chalo then, let's start guys. So guys, let me introduce myself. Myself Praneet Kalyanam. I'm maths educator at Unacademy. I have 10 years experience in teaching IIT-JEE maths. So before this, I have worked in Narayana China campus, Hyderabad and Akash, Bangalore. I'm from IIT Roorkee, guys. Okay, chalo then let's start. So guys, this is my Unacademy profile. You can search my profile in Unacademy. You can search my name Praneet and follow my profile on Unacademy, guys, so that you can able to get the notifications about my special classes and batches. Okay, so this is the first question we have. As we are doing statistics, in the previous class we started statistics in 3000 practice problems. So this is the second class of statistics, guys. So guys, start doing this question. Mean and median of following 10 numbers in increasing order respectively. So 42 and 35. Mean is 42 and median is 35. So median is what? So total how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 observations. So for this 10 observation, how do we calculate median, guys? To calculate median, median is nothing but middle term. But see here, two middle terms are there. 34 and x, two middle terms are there. When two middle terms are there, average of those two middle terms is nothing but median. So what is the median he gave? Median he gave it as 35. Right. So when we cross multiply and simplify this, how much we get it, guys? X equals to how much we're getting it? 70 minus 34, 36. Okay. X value I calculated, 36. What about Y value? So he gave mean, right? So let's calculate the mean of these 10 observations. Mean is nothing but average only. So mean x bar is equals to 42 he gave. So which is equals to sum of the observations. That is the 10 plus 22 plus 26 plus 29 plus 34 plus x value already we calculated. So 36 plus 42 plus 67 plus 70 plus y divisible by 10. So as we have 10 observations. Right. So guys, let's calculate this and equate it to 42. So otherwise you can cross multiply this also. That is also fine. So if you cross multiply this, 420 is equals to, 10 plus 22, 32. 32 plus 26, which is equals to 58. So 58 plus 29 plus 34, which is 63. 63 plus 36, 99 plus 42 plus 67, which is 109. 109 plus 70, 179 plus y. That's what we're getting it, right? So now let's add these two. If you add these two, how much we're getting is y plus, right, 179 plus 99, which is 278. 278 plus 58. 278 plus 58 is equals to 420. So now tell me guys, what is the value of y we're getting it finally? 27 plus 5, which is equals to 32, 33, 336. So 420 minus 336. 420 minus 336. So total how much we're getting is y value? Right. 120 minus 36, which is equals to 100 minus 16, which is equals to 84. Yes, y is equals to 84, we got it. So as we got x value and y value, now let's calculate y by x. As he's asking y by x value, let's calculate y by x value. Y by x is equals to 84 by 36. So 12 we can cancel. So 84, 12, 84, 12, how many times it goes? 7 times, 7 by 3. So first option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? How we calculated mean and median and equating it to these values 42 and 35. And then we are getting x value, y value, and then we are substituting these x value, y value here. We get 7 by 3. Clear? Okay, perfect. Chalo guys, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question. Standard deviation of these numbers, 4 numbers total, is given as root 5. Then what is the value of k? Right. So guys, start doing this question. So standard deviation formula is, standard deviation is given as sigma is equals to root 5 he has given, but the formula is square root of sigma xi square by n minus x bar whole square. This is the formula guys. Okay. Right. So if you observe here, x bar we need to calculate. Mean x bar we need to calculate first. Let's calculate x bar. Mean x bar is equals to sum of the observations, total number of observations, sum of the observations by total number of observations, which is equals to k by 4. Okay, mean we calculated. Now if you square this, what we get it, guys? When you square this, we're getting like 5 is equals to sigma xi square means what? Minus 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square plus k square by n. N is what? By 4 minus x bar whole square. X bar whole square means mean whole square. Mean already we calculated. Now let's substitute this value here. If you substitute this value here, hello Yash. So when we simplify this, let's see how much we get it, guys. So we can multiply throughout the equation, you can multiply with 16. If you multiply with 16, 80 is equals to, so 4 times k square plus 2 we are getting it, minus k square. Okay, let's simplify this. 3k square plus 8 is equals to 80. So from this, 3k square is how much, guys? 72 we are getting it. So from this, k square is how much? 72 by 3, which is 24. Right, k square value we calculated, but we need to calculate k value, guys. So tell me what is the value of k we are getting it? K, how much we are getting it? K is equals to root 24, which is equals to, we can bring 4 outside. If you bring 4 outside, we're getting 2 root 6. That's what we're getting it? Yes, exactly. So option B we're getting, guys. Is it clear? So guys, you can observe how easy these questions are. Statistics is a very easy topic and very scoring topic. Compulsory one question from this topic, guys. 4 marks in our pocket. Okay, next question. A student scores the following marks in 5 tests: 45, 54, 41, 57, 43. His score is not known for the 6th test. If the mean score is 48, then the standard deviation of the marks in 6th test. Okay. So let's assume the 6th test marks as we don't know. So you can take it as something like X or something. So let's take it as 45, 54, 41, 57, 43, X. Okay. But he gave mean score he gave. So mean is equals to how much, guys? Average only. So let's calculate 48. Mean is equals to X bar is equals to mean 48 is equals to sum of the observations 45 plus 54 plus 41 plus 57 plus 43 plus X by total number of observations, which is 6. Clear? Right. Now cross multiply this and simplify this. Let's see how much we get it. So when we cross multiply this, 6 times 48, which is 300 minus 12, right? So how much we get it? Right. So right, 300 minus 12, which is 288. Okay, 288 is equals to 54 plus 41, which is 95. 95 plus 45, which is 140. 140 plus 100, 240. 240 plus X. So from this, we're getting X equals to 48. Okay, we calculated X value. Once we got X value, can I calculate standard deviation? Already we discussed how to calculate standard deviation. So the formula to calculate standard deviation is standard deviation sigma is equals to square root of sigma xi square by n minus mean whole square. Mean already we know it. See, but if you use this formula, it is going to be lengthy, guys. Why? Because 45 square, 54 square, which is going to be very lengthy. So instead of using this formula, we have another formula, guys. Instead of using this formula, we have another formula. What is that formula? Square root of sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. This is the formula we have. So we can use this formula. If you use this formula, what do we get, guys? Sigma is equals to standard deviation sigma is equals to square root of sigma xi minus x bar whole square. That is 45 minus 48 whole square plus 54 minus 45 whole square plus 41 minus 48 whole square plus 57 minus 48 whole square plus 43 minus, oh, 1 second, guys. So mean is how much? Mean is 48, right? So that's what we're calculating. 48, right? So here it should be 48. 43 minus 48 whole square And the last one is 48 minus 48 whole square. Divisible by how much, guys? Total number of observations, 6 observations. So let's simplify this. How much we get it? Anyone got the answer? Right. When we do this, so this is square root of 45 minus 48 whole square, which is 9. 9 plus 54 minus 48 whole square, which is 36, plus 49 plus 57 minus 48, which is 9 square, 81, plus 43 minus 45 whole square, which is 25, plus 0 by 6. So let's simplify this. If you simplify this, how much you get it, guys? Square root of 9 plus 36, 45, 45 plus 130, 45 plus 130 plus 25. 45 plus 25 is 70, guys. 70 plus 130, 200. So 200 by 6. Right, so we can write it as 10 by root 3. Okay, sigma we got it as 10 by root 3. Where we getting 10 by root 3? Second option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Sigma value is root 100 by 3. Root 100 by 3 we can write as 10 by root 3. So 10 by root 3 is the correct answer. Option B is correct. Okay, next question, guys. This is the next question, fourth question. Mean and variance of 7 observations are given. If 5 observations are given, then the product of the remaining 2 observations. As 2 observations we don't know, we can consider it as x and y. So let's take the observations 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus as unknown observations, we can take it as x comma y. So by total number of observations are 7. So mean is equals to how much he has given? Mean is given as 8. So guys, is it clear? Can you able to see this? So let's change the color. So unknown observations, we are considering it as x and y. Right, so when we cross multiply and simplify, we can able to calculate x plus y, guys. So 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 14, 42. So 42 plus x plus y is equals to 7 8 56. So from this, so what is x plus y value, guys? Tell me how much we're getting it. So from this we can able to calculate x plus y, which is equals to 14. X plus y value we calculate. But we need xy value. So we need to use this variance formula. Variance is given, guys. Variance is given as 16. That means sigma square is given as 16. Sigma square is given as 16. But what is the formula to calculate sigma square, guys? Sigma square is square root of sigma xi square by n minus x bar whole square. X bar we know it. X bar is 8 only. So we can use this formula. If we use this formula, so tell me, guys, how much we get it? Alright, sigma square we won't get this square, guys. Square root you won't get it for sigma. Sigma square you won't get this square root. Okay. Right. Standard deviation we get square root. Okay, right. So tell me, guys, so sigma xi square by n, that means 4 plus 16 plus 100 plus 144 plus 14 square. 14 square is how much? 196 plus x square plus y square by n, total number of observations 7 minus x bar whole square. X we know it, x bar we know it, mean, which is 8. So this is 64. So now tell me, guys, what we can cancel. So maybe you can multiply with 7. If you multiply with 7, we can get the equation. So when you multiply this equation with 7, 7 16s, 80 plus 32, 112. 112 is equals to, let's add these two, 20. So 4 plus 16, 20. 20 plus 100, 120. 120 plus 144 plus 196, 240. 120 plus 240, 360. 360 plus x square plus y square plus 7 times 64, as we are multiplying with 7. So tell me, guys, 7 times 64 is how much? 760 is 420. 420 plus 28, 448 minus 448. So tell me guys, how much we're getting it. So from this we can able to calculate x square plus y square value. X square plus y square value, how much we're getting it? 448 plus 112, which is 560. 560 minus 360. Are we getting 200 guys? Yes, we're getting 200. X square plus y square value we know it, and x plus y value we know it. So we need to calculate xy. So let's calculate xy here. So x plus y whole square will do it. X plus y whole square is 196. But x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy. So x square plus y square value we can calculate here, 200. So from this xy, can we do it? Looks like we have done mistake somewhere. Let's do it guys again. So 16 is equals to 4 plus 16 plus 100 plus 144 plus 196 plus x square plus y square by 7 minus mean square 8 square 64. So when you multiply with 7 16s, 112 is equals to 120 plus, oh here I did mistake guys, here 320, this is actually 340. 340 plus 120, which is 460 guys. This value is 460. So in this case, how much we get it guys? X square plus y square. Are we getting 100? Yes, x square plus y square I am getting 100. So from this, okay, let me do one thing. So let's erase this part. Okay, and here x square plus y square we know it, which is 100. So let's do this part again. So x plus y whole square we know it guys. X plus y whole square is equals to how much? X plus y whole square is 196, which is x square plus y square plus 2xy. But x square plus y square value we know it 100. So from this how much we get it guys? 2xy we're getting it as 196 minus 100, which is 96. From this xy we can able to calculate. So tell me what is xy? Xy how much we getting it? 96 by 2, which is 48. So 48 should be the answer. Third option is the answer guys. Correct or not? Yeah, if you want you can calculate x value, y value, but without calculating x value, y value, we can able to calculate xy value. Yeah, anything is fine. Lakshman, you're right. Yes, exactly. 8 plus 6 is 14 and 18 to 8 square plus 6 square is 100. Correct. You're right. Perfect. So guys, clear. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. Mean and variance of 5 observations are 4 and 5.2. 3 observations are given. Absolute value of difference of remaining 2 observations. Simple guys. If you take the unknown observations are x and y, mod x minus y is how much? That's what he's asking. Right. So as he gave 3 observations as 3, 4, 4. So can we take remaining 2 observations are x comma y? Let's take it this way. Okay. So mean he gave. Let's calculate mean. Mean is equals to x bar is equals to sum of the observations by total number of observations, which is equals to 5. This is given as 4. So now cross multiply and simplify this. If you cross multiply and simplify this, how much we get it guys? 11, right? 11 plus x plus y is equals to 20. From this we can able to calculate x plus y as 9. Okay, we got one equation. Correct. What, Muhammad? Yeah, Muhammad, tell me whatever doubt you have, asked me. Right, x plus y is equals to 9, we got it. And then variance he gave. Variance is given as 5.2. Okay. So sigma square he gave guys. What is sigma square he gave? Sigma square is equals to 5.2. But what is the formula to calculate sigma square guys? Sigma xi square by n minus x bar whole square. X bar already we calculated. We know x bar is 4. So let's substitute these values here. If you substitute these values here, what we're getting is 5.2. 5.2 is equals to Sigma xi square. Sigma xi square is 9 plus 16 plus 16 plus x square plus y square by total number of observations is 5 minus mean whole square. Mean whole square is 16. Clear na? Hello Harsh. Right. So now you can multiply this equation with 5. If you multiply this equation with 5, let's see what we get it. Right. 5 times 5.2, which is 26. 26 is equals to, 9 plus 16 plus 16. 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 9, 41. 41 plus x square plus y square minus 80. So from this, can I calculate x square plus y square value? Can I able to calculate x square plus y square value here? Yes. So tell me how much we get it, guys. So here minus 39. 39 if you send it to the other side. 40 plus 25. 65. Yes. X square plus y square, we're getting it as 65. X plus y we calculated. X square plus y square we calculated. What is the value of x and y, guys? Can we able to calculate the value of x and y? Option A is the answer. Huh? Yeah, correct. X equals to 8 we can take it, and y is equals to 1 we can take it. Correct, guys. X value is 8 and y value is 1. Why? Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 square plus 1, that is 65 plus 1. 64 plus 1. Yes, exactly. So the answer is second option, guys. Is it clear? Lakshman understood. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 square plus 1 square is 65. Exactly matching it. So we can say that x equals to 8 and y is equals to 1. But he is saying absolute difference. X minus y he is asking. X minus y is 7. Okay. Right. Chalo, let's do the next question. Yeah, this is the next question. Sum of the deviations of 50 observations from 30 is 50. Then the mean of these observations. So what he is giving is sum of the mean deviations. See, mean deviation, sum of the deviations of 50 observations from 30. That means x1 minus 30, x2 minus 30 like this. So on up to x50 minus 30. Correct. So sum of all these deviations is given as 50, guys. So let's add all this and let's see how much we get it. So what he is trying to give is x1 minus 30. Sum of all these deviations about 30. So on up to x50 minus 30 is equals to how much? 50 he gave. So then mean is how much? So first let's simplify this. So from this, can I write it as x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on up to x50 minus 50 times 30 is equals to 50. So can we write it like this? So from this, sum of the observations we can calculate x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus so on up to x50 is equals to how much, guys? 50 times 31, correct? But we need to calculate mean. So to calculate mean, sum of the observations by total number of observations. Total number of observations is 50. Let's divide with 50. So if you divide with 50, how much we getting it? Are we getting 31? Yes, exactly. So fourth option is correct. Guys, is it clear? Sum of the deviations of 50 observations from 30. So mean deviations about 30 given. So that means x1 minus 30, x2 minus 30, so on up to x50 minus 30. Sum of all this is given as 50. So from this we calculated sum of the observations divided by total number of observations. Correct? Okay, next one. So guys, let's do this question. Bag contains 30 white balls, 10 red balls. 16 balls drawn one by one randomly from the bag with replacement. If x is a number of white balls drawn, mean of x and standard deviation of x. So guys, a total 30 white color balls are there and 10 red color balls are there. 16 balls drawn one by one randomly from the bag with replacement. So x is the total number of white balls drawn. See, what is the probability of drawing white color ball, guys? What is the probability of drawing a white color ball. Is it 30 by total number of balls 40? Is it 3 by 4? What is the probability of not getting a white color ball, which is 1 minus p only, which is 1 by 4? Correct? So the value of p and q we calculated. Okay, fine. Total number of operations are how many, guys? So 16 balls we are drawing it. So that means 16 times we are calculating the same random experiment. We are doing it for 16 times. But this is a binomial distribution. For binomial distribution, what is mean and standard deviations? Okay, let me tell you. For binomial distribution, mean x bar is equals to np. Standard deviation, sigma is equals to root npq. So from this, we can calculate mean and variance with this. So let's calculate mean here. NP is what? N into P, that is 16 into 3 by 4, which is equals to 12. Okay, NP we calculated. What about square root of NPQ? Let's calculate this. 16 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 4. So tell me how much we get it. Are we getting root 3? Yes. So now what he is asking, mean by standard deviation. Let's calculate it now. Mean is how much it is? X, that is x bar 12. And what is standard deviation? Root 3. So 12 by root 3, which is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 is the answer. Correct. So fourth option is the answer, guys. We just calculated mean and standard deviation. So for binomial distribution, this is the binomial distribution. Binomial random variate. Mean formula is NP, variance formula is NPQ, but he is asking standard deviation. Standard deviation sigma is equals to square root of NPQ. Okay, right, next one. The outcome of each of 30 items was observed. 10 items gave the outcome 1 minus 2 minus d, and 10 items gave 1 by 2. Remaining 10 items gave 1 by 2 plus d. If the variance of these outcomes is 4 by 3, then what is mod d? Okay, let's solve this question. So he gave grouped data, guys. He gave grouped data. Why? Because xi he gave, fi he gave. So xi is what? Xi is 1 by 2 minus d. How many times? 10 times. Next, 1 by 2, how many times? 10 times. Next, 1 by 2 plus d, how many times? 10 times. Total 30 items. 30 observations. So can I calculate mean, guys? What is the formula to calculate mean? The formula to calculate mean is x bar is equals to sigma xi fi by sigma fi. So tell me, what is it? 10 times 1 by 2 minus d plus 10 times 1 by 2 plus 10 times 1 by 2 plus d by total number of observations, which is 30. So when we do this, how much we get it? So 5, so d get cancelled, guys. So 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 15, 15 by 30. Are we getting 1 by 2? Yes, mean we calculated as 1 by 2. Correct. So mean we calculated as 1 by 2, guys. Mean is equals to 1 by 2. Okay, clear. So now what we need? We need variance. What is the formula to calculate variance? Variance formula is sigma square is equals to sigma xi square into fi by sigma fi minus x bar whole square. Yes, this is the formula we have. So, but this is given as 4 by 3. Let's substitute 4 by 3 here. If you substitute 4 by 3 here, this is 4 by 3 is equals to, sigma xi square. Sigma xi square is what? 1 by 2 minus d whole square into 10 plus 1 by 4 into 10 plus 1 by 2 plus d whole square into 10 divisible by total number of observations is 30. So let's remove this 1 by 2 here. So here we're getting 1 by 2. Mean is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, right. This is a mean formula. This is given as 4 by 3. Combine. So, guys, I told you, right? See, I already told you there is a special test series is going on for 11th and 12th Unacademy scholarship test. I told you about this few minutes back. I explained this. So if you are class 10, if you are in class 10, if you comes 1 to 5, rank 1 to 5, 2 years IIT-JEE plus subscription is free completely. Okay, same way if you are class 11, then 1 year IIT-JEE plus subscription is free for rank 1 to 5. So same way we have Amazon vouchers also. So the only thing you need to do is you need to attend this exam on 19th December, 12 to 3 p.m. for 10th class students, for 11th class students 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So you just need to enroll this, guys. If you enroll this syllabus also, I tell you. So yeah, this is the syllabus, guys. This is the syllabus for class 10th students, and for class 11th students entire syllabus, entire 11th syllabus. Okay, so you can use this referral code, guys. You can use this referral code Praneet 10. So to enroll this for free, you can use this referral code Praneet 10. Okay, clear now, Aparna? Arpana Devi. Right. So let's complete this question, guys. So from this we can able to calculate the d value. Okay. So let's skip the calculation. So d value is how much we're getting it. D square is 2 we are getting, guys. D square is equals to 2. That means d is equals to root. So guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? Any doubts? Chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. So mean of 5 observations is given 5. Their variance is also given. 3 observations are given 138. So guys, this model is very important. Why? Because this model repeated till now so many times. You can observe whatever questions we have done till now. This type of model we are getting it. I think this is 4th time or 5th time. Okay, right. Let's see what he is asking. So observations he gave. Observations he gave it as 138. So can I take another 2 observations as x and y? So finally what he is asking, ratio of these 2 observations, x by y is how much? Okay. So mean he gave. Let's calculate mean and equate it to 5 here. Mean of 5 observations is 5. He is giving it. So let's calculate mean. X bar is equals to 5 is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus x plus y. Sum of the observations by total number of observations only. So when we cross multiply this, how much we get it? 25 minus 12. X plus y, are we getting 13? Are we getting x plus y 13, guys? Yes, we're getting x plus y is equals to 13. So next, he gave variance formula. Let's apply variance formula. So variance formula is sigma square is equals to 9.2 is equals to, what is the formula, guys? Sigma xi square by n minus x bar whole square. This is the formula. So if we use this, let's see what we get it. Sigma xi square, that is 1 plus 9 plus 64 plus x square plus y square by 5 minus x bar whole square. X bar is how much? 5. So 25. So now cross multiply this. You can multiply with 5, guys. Attend. What, Lakshman? What you are asking? Explain binomial problem concept. Okay, you didn't understand that binomial variable. You didn't understand. Okay, right. So we'll discuss this. Don't worry. Okay, right. So guys, so when you multiply with the 5, what we getting it, guys? Are we getting like 46 is equals to 74 plus x square plus y square minus 125? That's what we're getting it. So from this, can I calculate x square plus y square? So tell me, what is it? X square plus y square is how much we're getting it? 74 minus 125, is it 51? Yes. If you send that 51 to the other side, 97. X square plus y square is 97. Okay. So what is it, guys? 49 plus 42, 49 plus 36. So can I take x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 7? Let's check it. If you substitute 49 plus 36, not satisfying, right? 1 second. 6, 7. 36 plus 49. No, not satisfying it. 49, what about 49? 81 plus 16. Yes, it is satisfying it. First option is satisfying it. Why? Because see, all the options are like x plus y is equals to 13 only. 4 plus 9 is 13, 6 plus 7 is 13, 10 plus 3, 5 plus 8, everything is 13 only. But x square plus y square is equals to 97, guys. So this is wrong actually. Whatever I have written here is wrong. This is wrong. What is the correct one? Correct one is x equals to 4, you can take it, and y is equals to 9, you can take it. Yes, if you take this, it is satisfying it. Clear now? So guys, is it clear? Perfect. Next question. Yeah, this is the next question we have. Number of students who did not opt any. So this is not a statistics question, guys. Let's skip this. This is not a statistics. This is set theory. So let's skip this and move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question. In a group data, there are n observations are there. So sigma I is equals to 1 to n, xi plus 1 whole square is given, and xi minus 1 whole square is given. Then the standard deviation of the data. So standard deviation of this data we need to calculate. So let's do this question, guys. Let's do this question. In a group of data, so when we expand this summation, let's see what we get it. When we expand this summation, can I write it as sigma I is equals to 1 to n xi square plus 2 times sigma I is equals to 1 to n sigma xi plus sigma I is equals to 1 to n 1. So that means 1, 1, 1, we are adding n times. So this is plus n is equals to 9n. So finally we are getting this equation. What is this equation? From this we can say that sigma xi square plus 2 times sigma xi is equals to 8n, we are getting it. Okay, right. This is one equation, I got it. Next is second equation. Second equation also we can expand it. Second equation also we can expand it. Na? That you can do it, right? Directly you can add it. That's better actually. That is also fine. Anything is fine. So let's calculate the next one. Next one is a sigma xi square minus 2 times sigma xi plus n is equals to 5n. So from this, sigma xi square minus 2 sigma xi is equals to 4n. So from these two, we can add it and we can subtract it. If you add it and subtract it, we can able to calculate sigma xi square and sigma xi. Both you can calculate, adding and subtracting. Right, what are the two results we are getting is, when we add it, what we get it is, sigma xi square we get it. How much it is? Is it 6n? Okay. What about sigma xi, guys? Sigma xi also we can calculate. We can subtract it. If you subtract it, how much we get it? Sigma xi is n, we are getting it. Correct or not? Right, perfect. So once we calculate these two values, can I able to calculate variance, standard deviation? Okay, let's calculate standard deviation sigma. So standard deviation sigma is equals to square root of sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square. Right, let's simplify this. So sigma xi square already he has given, which is equals to 6n. 6n by n is 6 minus sigma xi by n whole square, which is 1 square. So total how much we getting, guys? Are we getting root 5? Yes, we're getting root 5. So fourth option is a correct answer. Sigma xi square is 6n. Yeah, correct, Lakshman. So guys, is it clear? Are we getting the answer easily? Right, perfect. Perfect, guys. Chalo, let's move to the next one. Yeah, this is the next question we have. 5 students of class have average height 150 centimeters and variance is given. A new student whose height is 150 centimeters, 156 centimeters, joined them. Then the variance of the heights of these 6 students. Okay, right. So what he gave is, he gave average of 5 observations he gave. That means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 by 5 is equals to 150. That means when you cross multiply this, are we getting like 750? 150 into 5, is it 750? Okay, right. The sum of the observations we calculated. Same way variance he gave. So variance, what is the formula for variance, guys? Variance is like sigma square is equals to 18 is equals to sigma xi square, that is x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square plus x5 square by 5 minus mean square. Mean already we know it. Mean is 150 whole square. Correct. That's what we're getting it. So from this, so tell me guys, what we can calculate? Can I calculate sigma xi square? Otherwise, you can directly write it as x1 square to x5 square. That's better. x1 square plus x2 square. Triangle, circle, surface area. These are basics, guys. In so many chapters, we use all this. Triangle, circle, surface area. All these are basics. Without knowing all this, it is very hard to analyze the concepts in 11th and 12th. Okay. Mean we can calculate. Mean easily you can calculate it. Why? Because for 6 students 6 is added. So new mean we can calculate. New mean is equals to how much, guys? 151. Okay, that is fine. Right. So this how much you getting, guys? x5 square is equals to, when you multiply with the 5. So tell me how much we get it, guys? 90 plus 5 times 150 whole square. Okay, this is what we're getting it. So you don't need to simplify this. Let's keep it like this. But see, what we need to calculate is x6. There is a new observations. x6 is getting added. x6 is what? 156. New mean also we calculated. New mean also we calculate. But what is a new variance? New variance we need to calculate. New variance is equals to x1 square plus x2 square plus so on up to x5 square plus x6 square by 6 minus new mean whole square, 151 whole square. So this part we know it already. This part we know it already. We calculated here. So substitute here 90 plus 5 times 150 whole square plus x6. x6 is what? 156 whole square by 6 minus 151 whole square. This is what we need to calculate. Guys, is it clear? So if you simplify this, you get the answer. Correct? Is it clear? Everyone understood this? How we are getting the answer easily? Right? Right, perfect. Chalo, let's move to the next one, guys. Yeah, this is the next question we have, 2018 question. Sigma xi minus 5 he gave, sigma xi minus 5 whole square he gave, then the standard deviation of 9 observation. Guys, this problem is very, very important, guys. Why? Because in 2020, this model at least 3 questions came. In 2020 alone, this model, we got 20 questions, guys. I mean, 3 or 4 questions, okay, right? So what he is saying is a standard deviation of x1, x2, so on up to x9. This is what he is asking. But is this same as standard deviation of x1 minus 5, x2 minus 5, so on up to x9 minus 5 or not? Why? Because when you add a constant or subtract a constant from each and every observations, standard deviation doesn't change. So instead of calculating standard deviation of x1 minus 5, x2 minus x1, x2, x3, so directly I can calculate standard deviation of x1 minus 5, x2 minus 5, all this. But this is nothing but square root of sigma xi minus 5 whole square by n. So here n is how much, guys? 9 observations. 9 minus sigma xi minus 5 by 9 whole square only, right? Is this the formula to calculate standard deviation of these 9 observations? Right, okay. Chalo, let's substitute this value here. If you substitute this value here, square root of sigma xi minus 5 whole square, we know it, which is 45 by 9 minus sigma xi minus 9, we know it, which is 9 by 9 whole square. So tell me how much we get it. Are we getting like 5 minus 1? Right, how much we getting it? Root 4 we get it, which is equals to 2. Yes, 2 is the answer, guys. Standard deviation is 2. This model is very important because this is a repeated model. You can see there are a lot of questions in 2020, at least 3 to 4 questions. We discussed in a previous class, we discussed it, guys. 2020 questions. You can find this type of questions, so many. Right. Chalo, let's move to the next one. So standard deviations remain unchanged if the observations are added or subtracted by a fixed number. Yes, next question. Yeah, this is the next question. If the standard deviation of numbers 2, 3, a and 11 is 3.5, then which of the following is true? Simple, guys, you just apply the standard deviation formula. Standard deviation formula you apply and equate it to 3.5. Okay, sigma is given as 3.5. Sigma is given as 3.5. So then what is the value of A? Okay. Okay, Kanishk Bohra, tell me. I will complete my course by mid-Feb. Then should I focus on JEE Feb or the next attempt? JEE Feb. Who said that JEE is going to conduct in Feb? All are rumors only, guys. Even education minister also, he didn't confirm it. Okay. So don't fix that mains is going to be in Feb or mains is going to be in March. There is nothing is confirmed yet. So till admission, till notification came out, till notification comes out, we can't conclude anything. Okay. So what you can do is try to finish the syllabus as quickly as possible. Try to work hard as much as you can. Try to work hard and finish the syllabus as quickly as possible. Once you finish the syllabus, you can revise it. You can start revising it multiple times. How many times you revise it, that is going to be advantage. Okay. That's what, Kanishk. And what I'm telling is, so try to finish the syllabus as quickly as possible. I mean, thoroughly, you need to complete it thoroughly and quickly. Once you complete the syllabus, what you can do is you can revise the syllabus as many times as you can and start giving mock tests, as many mock tests as you can. Okay. So once you start giving mock tests, you will get to know which topic you are lagging, which topic you are good, which topic you are lagging, you will get to know. if you get to know which topic you are lagging, you can concentrate, you can revise that topic again and again. Okay, right. So guys, sigma is given as 3.5. So variance we can calculate. Variance is 3.5 whole square only. So let's apply the formula for this. So sigma square is equals to 3.5 whole square, which is how much, guys? 3.5 whole square. You can keep it 3.5 whole square, no problem. So tell me how much we get it. This is a 2 square plus 3 square plus a square plus 11 square by 4 minus mean whole square. What is mean, guys? 2 plus 3 plus a plus 11 by 4 whole square. Yes, right. So now multiply this equation with 16. Okay, Soumya. What you can do is, if you are so many topics are pending, what you can do is at least try to finish basics in every chapter. Let's say if you get any easy question from basic all chapters, you should not leave it. Let's say this is a one topic, statistics. We are doing in the previous class and this class, we have completed almost all previous year questions. Okay, so even if you are not confident about the entire chapter, once you complete previous year questions, we got some idea. Okay, just within 2 hours we got complete idea about this chapter. So same way, if you spend 3 hours or 4 hours in each and every topic, you can able to get some idea about each and every topic. So if you sit for 1 week or 10 days and if you plan it, entire syllabus you can able to complete it in a basic level, not to the extent, but you can complete basic level. Okay, so that you can able to attempt easy questions from that chapter. Why? Because if any easy question from any chapter, you should not leave it completely because you didn't finish that topic. So what you can do is make a timetable and try to complete each and every topic to the basic level at least. At least you do 2019 and 2020 previous year questions so that you get the confidence. Okay, that's better. Right, chalo guys. So if you multiply with 16, let's see what we get it. If you multiply with 16, so this is becoming like 14 square is equals to 4 into, yeah, 2 square plus 3 square plus 11 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 121, 13 plus 121 is 134 plus 11 square, right? Is it plus 11 square? 1 second. Plus a square, sorry. It's plus a square minus, yeah, this is how much we're getting, guys. This is like 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 11, 16, 16 plus a whole square. Yes, that's what we're getting it. Clear? So when we expand this, let's see what we get it, guys. When we expand it, 14 square is 196 is equals to 4 times 134, which is 568 plus 68, which is 136, that is 536 plus 4a square minus 16 minus a square. That's what we're getting it. So let's simplify this. 3a square plus 520, correct na? 3a square plus 520 is equals to 196. 1 second, guys. Somewhere we have done mistake. What is it? It is 14 square only, right? Where we are doing mistake. Oh, this is 16 plus a whole square, right? So here we are doing mistake, guys. This is 16 plus a whole square. Let's simplify this again. So here we have done mistake. So let me correct it again. So this is 256 plus a square plus 32a. Correct? Now let's simplify this. Let's see how much we get it. Right. So 4a square minus a square, are we getting 3a square? Are we getting minus 32a? That's it. I think that is enough, right? 3a square minus 32a. Where we're getting it? Only option B we're getting it. You don't need to simplify the remaining part. First two terms matched only for second option. That's it. Second option is the answer. Guys, is it clear? Everyone understood this? Right. Perfect, guys. So within 1 hour, we completed 14 questions. So by yesterday and today, that means previous class and today's class, we completed most of the previous year questions in statistics. Okay, so I think that's enough for statistics, guys. Why? Because uh, very limited syllabus for statistics: mean, median, variance, standard deviation. That's it. Very limited syllabus and limited formulas are there, limited concepts are there. So if you prepare well for this topic, easily one question from this topic, 4 marks in your pocket, guys. So what I strongly suggest is you revise this statistics as many times as you can till you can able to attempt this question from this topic thoroughly within 1 minute, 2 minutes. You can easily able to attempt it if you practice regularly. That means every 1 month you revise this topic. Every 1 month you can start doing previous year questions. Okay. Yes, exactly, Akshat. There is one batch going on. So let me tell you about that batch. So there is a batch going on, guys. Okay, here is a batch. So guys, this batch is going on for from 15th December. So this is MCQ batch for JEE mains and advanced. So 2021 mains and advanced MCQ batch is going to start from tomorrow itself. Okay. So we are going to start this batch from tomorrow, MCQ batch. So myself is taking the responsibility of maths, and Suresh sir, Chandrasekhar sir, and Rambabu sir is taking chemistry, and Nitin Sachin sir is taking physics. So you can join this batch, guys, and you can use this referral code to join the Plus platform. You can use this referral code Praneet10. Okay, so you'll get instant 10% discount. You take 1 or 2 months, you take it, guys. Either you can take 1 month or 3 months, you can take it. If you can't afford 6 months or 1 year. Yes, exactly, Akshat. In that, there will be only questions. Half an hour we'll discuss the theory part. Half an hour we'll discuss theory part. Only basics we'll discuss. That means only formulas we'll discuss. Half an hour we'll discuss the formulas, and then directly we'll start doing the problems. Okay, that will be. It is like a quick revision. If you want to complete the entire syllabus before mains, within 1 month, 1.5 months, we are going to complete the entire syllabus, guys. By end of January, we'll complete all the syllabus. Okay. 1.5 months, we'll complete all the syllabus. Every 2 days, we'll complete one topic. Daily, we'll have 1.5 hour class, evening 5 to 6:30. Advanced questions also. Yes, correct. Akshat, you're right. Advanced questions also we'll discuss. So, guys, clear? Right. So, you can use this referral code. You can use this referral code, guys. One second. Praneet10. Okay, and join Plus platform. At least for this 1 month you join, guys. Okay. Okay. So next topic for 3000 problem series is, as we completed statistics, the next topic we can start is mathematical reasoning, guys. Very important topic, very small and important topic. Mathematical reasoning will start. So next topic is going to be mathematical reasoning. That is on Wednesday, guys. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday we'll have YouTube session 9:30 p.m. So next class is going to be on Wednesday. So guys, clear? Right. Chalo guys, take care everyone, and see you on Wednesday 9:30 p.m. Take care, guys. Bye bye.